What's going on, everyone? How we all doing today? Welcome back, welcome back. Hope we're all gonna make some money in these markets, baby. Let's go, let's go. We got both PAs going. We got a higher low right here. Above the EMA. I might get my buy order prepared right above this signal bar. But doesn't look like we're going higher just yet. We got some news about to hit 15 minutes into the market open. So something to be aware of. Good morning, Axe Payne. Axe Payne. Max Payne. Yes, sir. We do have a lot of choppiness, sideways movement at the top of this move up. So could just also be in a sort of a range at the moment. I'm not too confident in one direction or the other. So we'll just have to wait it out. We'll wait it out. But we are getting that push up to the new extreme after this move up, as expected, as we would like to see in price action. Isn't that right, baby squid? Isn't that right? So that's why I was looking to go long here. Didn't get a great signal bar, but now we had the break, new high of this little short-term uptrend. And now it could be time to work down. We've got a lot of resistance at this area. Let's see what ends up happening. I mean, I guess not yet. We're pushing higher. We're pushing higher. I mean, yesterday we had a crazy strong uptrend. It was about, what was it? Okay, we went from 42.13 all the way up to 42.80. About a 70-point move. Traded a lot of it back as well. But now, I mean, we could just be working back to the highs of yesterday. Back to that 42.80 level. We'll see, we'll see. I mean, this looks like a strong push. Is it possible we got an even wider term uptrend right now? Whenever you see a strong move like this, always got to consider it. And does not look bad. I'll say that. It does not look bad. So we got a couple confirmations on the bottom side, couple confirmations on the top, midline coming into play as well. Notice how we bounced here again. We're basically there again right now. Raimundo. Antonio Raimundo. Vámonos. Vámonos, Raimundo. ¿Cómo estás? Si tú hablas español. Okay, but I did want to catch this little move up. We were calling it right after we started the stream. We were looking for that higher low. Didn't get a chance to cash in, but maybe we will now. Maybe we will now. It does look like we have a measured move as well. So like if this is one leg up, basically two legs up exactly. So let's see, we got 10 minutes to the news announcement. Let's see what's gonna happen. And now, I don't even think I mentioned it, but we're on 2 PAs now. We passed the second eval yesterday. Now we're in the big leagues. Now we're in the big leagues, baby. Had a very solid day yesterday. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up, Kailin. But no reason to start shorting this market yet. 42.80, that's my target, the high of yesterday. Let's see what ends up happening. Let's see. Let's go. But I'm not going to bend the trend. Don't bend the trend. We coined that term yesterday. Don't bend the trend to what you see after the fact. Stick with your original trends unless you want to widen the trend, like something potentially like this could be valid, but until we're really proven to be bouncing off this trend channel, you don't want to do that. But because, I mean, we're making higher highs, we're making higher lows, it makes sense that it's not just a little move up, it is encompassing a stronger push up. So that's when we widen the uptrend. What color should we make this one? Let's make it a different color. Let's make it yellow or orange. Okay, if we come back to the EMA, two-legged pullback, great signal bar. I'm gonna cash in on this move, baby. But we wait for those high probability setups. We've been doing it, and it's been working, so no need to force any trades today. Where'd our scalp counter go? Here's our scalp counter. All right, we got 7 minutes until some high impact news. Might be a little sideways until then, but doesn't look like it yet. And remember what we talked about yesterday. Even in a very strong uptrend, you have to respect these short-term legs down. It might seem very, very insignificant, but let's do a quick recap of what I mean. So yesterday we had this very, very strong move up, and we actually went short in the middle of the uptrend, even though it looked like this uptrend was very, very valid. We knew that we had a couple legs down, one here, one back here as well. So we actually took this lower high after we had a break of the uptrend, test at a new extreme. So we had the uptrend like this, we had a break, two legs to a new high, and this short-term leg down, it gave us more confidence that right here, this lower high was going to lead to some more movement downwards, and we exactly bounced where we thought we would. So it might not seem significant, but those counter trend legs are important to keep an eye out for. Because most of the time, at least at some point, we come back and test that low. Obviously now, the uptrend is taking precedence. The uptrend is more valid, and we want to look for longs, but preferably we'd look for long after we test this low. Which it looks like we're attempting to do right now. So we had this leg down, first attempt to go lower, second leg down, second attempt. Let's see how this bar finishes. Let's see how it ends up. Okay, and there we go. See, we made the new low because if you're looking at a very, very micro chart compared to ours, I mean, ours is a 2,000 tick chart. Say you were looking at a 100 tick chart. This looks like a strong trend. Okay, we're in a trade. We're in this trade. Second entry long off the EMA. I like the trade because we did make that new low. One leg, two legs down to the EMA. Can we get a scalp? Looks like we might not get one. I hope we do. I hope we do. But we might be working our way down to the bond side of this trend. So starting off the day with a loss, unfortunately. Let's see how we bounce back. This might be the double trap we're looking for, though. Not a great signal bar. Probably also, we should have just waited for the news to come out in a couple minutes. Because a lot of times there will be traps like what we just saw when we're waiting for the news to hit in just a couple minutes. I'm gonna keep my buy orders prepared. I'm gonna get ready for this double trap. All right, one more minute. One more minute till some excitement. But honestly, if you're gonna go long, this is the spot to go long. And here's the volatility. Here's that news. Here's that news. What's gonna happen? Definitely shouldn't have taken this trade simply because we were right. We were right into the news. Shouldn't have ignored that fact. But I did like the setup. Clear two legs down. Bouncing at the EMA. But it's all good. It's all good. We move on. We're going to make it back. Just got to take those high probability trades. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what's happening. We're just having our first break of this structure. We didn't quite reach the top side of the trend channel as well. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we're working with. Could be something like that. It's also possible that this uptrend wasn't even valid. Because looking back, it does just look like one leg up, two legs up, break, new high. Now we're starting to work lower. So we'll see a couple conflicting beliefs, couple conflicting patterns right now. What's up, Toad, man? You took that same trade? Yeah, that's why it's best not to take trades when a news announcement's about to hit. Might get an opportunity to go short here. Might get a short setup here. Let's see. Let's see. If we reverse down, it's gonna trap a lot of longs. All right, we're in the trade. It's a big bar. Man, should have just taken the 1-point scalp. Would have been out for a 1-point scalp. Let's get a lower high. Hopefully we can get a lower high here. Wanted to go for a little bit more of a scalp simply because the bar was so big. But in reality, it actually added some more risk by trying to go for more than 1 point. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. That's why we go for 1-point scalps. It would have worked out for a 1-point scalp. What are we doing? God damn it. And just like that, we're down big. Just like that, we're down big. God damn it. So if I had only gone for 1-point scalp, 61.75 would have got out at 60.75. Tried to get more. That's why we stick to the basics. That's why we don't push it. Fortunately, we got smacked. We got smacked. So in reality, it shouldn't have even been a losing trade at all, but man, it was such a high risk. I don't know what I was thinking, trying to go for more. That's what happens. You get punished. You get punished. 61.75 to 66.25. 4.5 points out of nothing. So that's really a 5.5 point swing right there. Really $550 lost for nothing. Because I could have went up 100 instead. We took that massive loss. Man, oh man. I mean, I was confident we were going to go lower. I was confident in this move down. And now we're just working sideways a little bit. Definitely don't want to take a trade in this congestion. But that's also the risk I'm taking by trading 2 contracts instead of just 1 contract. Everything, risk and reward is doubled. So 1 losing trade is a big deal, to be honest. Okay, might be getting a long opportunity, but doji bar, no thank you. Coco trades. Walk away. I mean, we're only 20 minutes into market open. Fuck, you just blew up 4 PAs. Damn, I know how it is. It happens. All right, we're in this trade. All right, at least we made a little bit money back. Wait a second. Oh my goodness. Are we still in another trade? Oh man, our freaking... So we went long here. One of the accounts went short. Man, oh man. So one of the accounts went long. One of the accounts, I don't know what happened. Oh, great. Brilliant. But man, we're not getting any luck over here. So if you guys notice, one of the accounts basically was the opposite of the other. Why? But it happened. Baby squid, don't blow your PA in one day. There's always tomorrow. I know there's always tomorrow. But if I see some good setups, I'm going to take them. What I'm really just pissed about is what just happened. Where one of the accounts didn't get filled. So we got screwed. That's what I'm more pissed about. I'm not even pissed about the losing trades. This one was honestly, I saw it as a good setup. The short, I'm not mad at the trade. I'm just pissed that I went for more than 1 scalp, and then here basically took another loss for no reason on one of the accounts. Because, like I said, one of the accounts didn't get filled. But I'm still confident, man. But basically playing range rules at this point. See if we work down here. We also might be in a wider range as well. Something like this. So we'll keep an eye out. Keep an eye out if this indeed comes into play. Oh, fucker. We have to take those losses. Oh, it happens. It happens. But that's some BS that one of our accounts didn't get filled. Come on. Okay, so we had this move down. We had a break. New low. We're having this move up. Let's see if we actually end up making new highs. And then, once again, that 42.80 high from yesterday is a potential target. Potential target. What's up, Ruben? What's up, Ruben, man? We're off to a rough start today. Really, if we think about it, should have only taken this loss here. And then here, if we had just scalped out like we always do, we wouldn't be in a bad spot. We would not be in a bad spot at all. But that's why every single trade matters. I mean, here, unfortunately, one of our accounts didn't get filled. So, got a little bit screwed. And then screwed ourselves over with the last trade. So this was a $550 swing. So really, both accounts should only be at about $200 in the red. All right, let's see if we have another leg down. And then honestly, I'm looking for prices to keep going higher. We haven't quite taken out this high. Okay, so we're having that second leg down. Let's see how we react to the EMA here. See how we react. Let's see. Because there's a couple conflicting beliefs. I mean, if this is indeed a range, we're bouncing at the highs, but also we got to respect this uptrend. Got to respect that uptrend. So I'm still a little more bullish than bearish. But let's see if we work down. Might just be working down to the lows again. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's moving quick, man. It's moving quick. Okay, we basically made that 10-point move in an instant. Once again, we're bouncing at these lows. So let's see how we react here. Let's see how we react. I'm looking for a clear break, clear test at a new low. Then it might be time to start working higher again. What's up, Snake Eye? What's up, Snake Eye? No revenge trading? Definitely not. Definitely not. Only good trades. I mean, I'm not on tilt at all. I'm just looking for a high probability setup. I'm still confident in my chart reading. Every trade I took, I'm confident in. The only trade that didn't work out is this one up here. And looking back, I'm not mad at that trade. So I only took trades that I'm proud of. That's what you always want to do. I'm proud of my trades. I'm just proud. I'm just not proud at how I handled it. So here, I don't know why I tried to go for more than 1 point. And then here, I mean, that was a winning trade. We just got screwed on one of the accounts. So let's trap some longs right now. Let's go short. Yes, sir, Snake Eye. We only look for the high probability trades. But that means going for 1 point scalps. And I didn't listen to my rule. I played with the risk to reward ratio. But once again, if we had just taken our 1 point scalp instead of having a how much? 61.75 to 66.25. Instead of having a $450 loss, we would have been up 100. So that's a $550 swing right there. It's not what you want to see. Not what we want to see. Okay, and here, getting a potential short setup. It's a double trap. It's a double trap if we start working lower. But let's see how this bar finishes up. Not a great signal bar, but if we do work lower, it's going to be a double trap. Essentially, we had 2 attempts to go lower. All the shorts, they just got trapped by this bullish bar. So then if we work lower again, all the longs who trap the shorts are going to get trapped as well. So it's a double trap. Might be getting... I was going to say, we might be getting it now, but nah, we're just sideways right now. Middle of this range. I still want to see us go down to this 4260 level though. But we're moving quick. We're moving quick. All right, and looks like we're trying to take out these highs again. So as we mentioned, we didn't quite take out the high of the day, 4274.5. Once again, we're also having the 4280 as a price target, the high of yesterday. So let's see where we go. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go? I can't believe what just happened, man. Should only be down 200. 200. Revenge trade time, baby. You're right, Snake Eye. You're right, Snake Eye. It just sucks that we're down so much from something that could have easily been avoided. But that's what trading is. That's what trading is, exactly. All right, and we finally took out the high of the day. Now if we get a lower high, I'm confident that we can work back down here. And honestly, I mean, I don't want to jump the gun yet, but we also have to keep in mind where we closed yesterday and the low of today. So 42.42 also is a potential target on the downside. So yeah, if we get a lower high here below the EMA, that's the setup I want to take. I want to take a little short. If we can at least get opportunity. I want to see us strongly push below the EMA. Try to go higher. Then get rejected and we start working lower. That's what I want to see. All right, we're having some sideways, couple conflicting patterns again. What is it gonna hold up? Is the range gonna hold up? Is this little uptrend gonna hold up? I'm betting that the range will. But might be a while till we get a good setup. Whenever you see these bars stacking up like that, it might take a little time to resume any sort of meaningful trend. Okay, and here's what looks like to be a lower high. It's not technically a lower high because we never really broke above any bar. But I am leaning towards us going lower here. So let's see. A lot of people are going long here. Might just be a little trap. Chart looks like the letter W. It does. It does. That's how it goes sometimes. Okay, so here's our attempt to go higher. What is going to happen? What is going to happen? We start working lower, get a lower high. I think a lot of longs are going to be trapped, but like we also said, we're just so sideways right now. It might take a while until we actually get a nice high probability setup. Man, oh man, man, oh man. All right, we went short here. Thought some longs are going to be trapped. Quickly reversed up. Hopefully we can keep working down, but we might get screwed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is happening right now? Now, it's time to walk away. What just happened, guys? All right, I'm calling it a day right there. Peace out. Peace out. Oh my goodness. It is what it is. Now we might start working down, but I'm gonna